Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a beef ramen. Y'all, I had went to Tacos in Ghana one day and they had some noodles with some beef and like stuff in it, and I was like, let me make my own. So I had made it one day, y'all, but I didn't make no video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made that, okay? But y'all already know, before we get started, make sure y'all get y'all cookbooks. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, so don't forget to get it, okay? Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Alright, y'all, so that we don't waste no money, we're using the other half of this roast from the pasta that I made. So it's good and cleaned off. We're gonna just put some oil on it and put some salt on it. So y'all, we just gonna rub a little oil on it. I'm just gonna put some salt. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna add some oil to the bottom of this. And y'all already know, make sure it's real hot, because we just want to get a sear. We're gonna let that go for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side.
Chaos soon as I step in the house.
Perfect. It's perfect. Gotta burn the house down for it to be perfect. So you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. This is just about done. We're gonna remove it now. So cook this down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add some flour. And cook that flour taste off. Once that's cooked off, we can add our broth. Then you just want to add your beef broth. Then you want to go in with some water, about 2 cups. Then you just want to add your veggies. I'm going to add some garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Y'all, we season it with some seasoning, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. We're gonna add some of this Lipton soup mix. We only gonna add one of these. They come in a 2-pack, but we only gonna do one. Then we're just gonna add our bunch of rosemary and thyme. I like to add a little soy sauce. Add that meat back in. Put this in the oven for about 2.5 hours. Alright, so now that the meat is done, we're gonna go ahead and make the noodles. Make y'all noodles however y'all make them, okay? I make mine 4 minutes in the microwave, boil the water only, 4 minutes in the microwave, and then put your noodles in there for 2 minutes. That's it. That's how I do it. Do y'all's however you do yours. And then make sure y'all boil y'all eggs, because I got me some eggs already boiled. And I got some jalapeños and some pepperoncinis. And we gonna plate this up. So I just got my noodles out the microwave. Now I'm just gonna break them up. Gotta add some hot sauce. Louisiana. I have to go ahead and add just a little bit of pepper on the eggs, because why not? We got some parsley and some red pepper flakes. Alright, y'all, this is how it came out. I can't spend too much time because y'all know how noodles is. Once you let them sit too long, they're gonna get soggy and nasty. But this is how it came out, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.